macaroni a bonbon. Sisi mina bonbon. Sisi mina bonbon.
Emanuela, what is the atomic number of chlorine?
I don't have an idea. Let's go and meet our educational enhancement to teach us lessons. Mr. Alfred, please come and teach us 120 elements in chemistry.
120 elements in chemistry?
Yes, sir.
But you are still young.
You can know it, sir.
Yes, I believe that. You can know it. I believe that. But I will use this opportunity to teach you. If I teach you, I believe you will use this opportunity to teach others at home. That is the reason I will teach you. So I will use some code to teach you so that you will know it the way you're supposed to know it. Now, you sit to this side. You sit to this side. Stay like that. You be atomic number. You be element. You be symbol. Now, let it be rhyme. Stay here. Be atomic number. Be an element. Be symbol. And let's start.
I am atomic number.
I am element.
I am symbol. I am atomic number.
I am element.
I am symbol.
What is an atomic number?
An atomic number of an element is the number of protons that are present in the nucleus of an atom.
What is an element?
An element is a substance that cannot be split or divided into another substance. What is a symbol? A symbol is a letter or letters that stand for chemical elements.
Atomic number 1, hydrogen.
Capital letter H.
Atomic number 2, helium.
Capital letter H and small letter E.
Atomic number 3, lithium.
Capital letter L and small letter I.
Atomic number 4, beryllium.
Capital letter P and small letter E.
Atomic number 5, boron.
Capital letter C.
Atomic number 6, carbon.
Capital letter C.
Atomic number 7, nitrogen.
Capital letter N and small letter I.
Atomic number 8, oxygen.
Capital letter O.
Atomic number 9, fluorine.
Capital letter F and small letter L.
Atomic number 10, neon.
Capital letter N and small letter E.
Atomic number 11, sodium.
Capital letter N and small letter A.
Atomic number 12, magnesium.
Capital letter M and small letter G.
Atomic number 13, aluminium.
Capital letter A and small letter L.
Atomic number 14, silicon.
Capital letter S and small letter I.
Atomic number 15, phosphorus.
Capital letter P and small letter H.
Atomic number 16, sulfur.
Capital letter S and small letter U.
Atomic number 17, chlorine.
Capital letter C and small letter L.
Atomic number 18, argon.
Capital letter A and small letter R.
Atomic number 19, potassium.
Capital letter K.
Atomic number 20, calcium.
Capital letter C and small letter A. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, helium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, helium, lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, helium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium.
Hello.
Barium.
Thank you. I believe that you gain one or two things in our program today. What you can do for us is to just click like, subscribe to our YouTube, comment on our program, give us 100 so that we can proceed, we can move forward in this program. And then next program you will enjoy it more than this one. My name is Famoriyo Alfred Ololuwa, Afro educational enhancement. Thank you. Thank you. God bless.